Hi guys, I'm here today with a new video, but before we start, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for getting the latest updates. Let's start. Today we'll be talking about the Jeep Wrangler. Bring the world a little closer. With the Wrangler, you're never far from the great outdoors thanks to multiple open-air options that lets you feel the wind, soak up the sun, or take in the stars. Let it all out. A removable, available Freedom Top hardtop and easy to lower standard Sunrider. Soft top or available Sky One Touch Power Top can be combined with a fold-down windshield and removable doors for the open-air configuration of your choice. Seen and be seen. The available premium LED lighting group includes signature reflector headlamps, fog lamps, and daytime running lamps for impressive visibility and style. Seen and be seen. The available premium LED lighting group also offers vibrant tail lamps to help communicate with drivers approaching from the rear. Mission Impossible. From the off-road to city streets, Sahara is always in its element with body color fender flares, silver accents, and 18-inch tech gray wheels with polished faces that are styled to stand out. Off-road authority. Rubicon strikes an unmistakable look with mud terrains, tires, rock protection, silts, rails, two vents in the hood to help cool the engine, red tow hooks, and red trail rated badge. Settle in the fourth adventure. Seats on the Jeep 2020 Wrangler are designed to offer comfort and support while you're out exploring with the variety of color and trims combination. You'll discover distinctive style for any journey. Turn up the volume. Immerse yourself in the energizing sound of the 9-speaker Alpine premium audio system. It comes complete with an overhead soundbar, all-weather subwoofer, and 552-watt amplifier. Leave nothing behind. Wrangler offers adaptable cargo space for your gear. Secure your possessions in the rear with the available trail rail. System organized. Small cargo with the Jeep utility grid. High gear in removable cargo floor, or lock your valuable up in the glove box or center console. Clean up after Mother Nature. Weather resistant removable carpet and one-way floor drain values make cleaning up after playing in the mud a breeze. The badge says it all. The trail-rated badge is proudly worn by every 2020 Jeep Wrangler to earn the vehicle must be capable of passing a series of grueling tests to prove its ability to withstand tough terrain, harsh conditions, and inclement conditions. Traction. Traction is all about transferring engine power to the ground. Three available 4x4 systems help you handle and most unpredictable conditions. Water fording. With a high air intake, sealed electrical connections, and moisturized resistant body openings, you can cross creeks, streams, and puddles with ease. Maneuverability. Easy maneuver tight, treacherous trails or navigate around rocks or fallen logs with precision steering system and high performance wheelbase. Articulation. Good suspensions and axle articulation helps keep your wheel on the ground, allowing for maximum traction while going over obstacles. Ground clearance. Driver over logs, rocks, or anything else on the trail thanks to exceptional ground clearance and protective underbody skid plates. Monitor your playbook. The 2020 Jeep Wrangler offers available off-road pages to help keep you informed about off-roading states including wheel articulation, transmission, temperature, suspension heights, setting, and drive modes. Monitor your plate. Legendary 4x4 capability. Over 75 years of off-road evolution and roll into the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. No matter what adventure you throw its away. A variety of standard and available 4x4 systems are there to help give impressive traction to get you where you want to go. Get in and go. The Select Track 4x4 system features a full-time mode that will automatically switch from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive when condition dictate. Relying on internal wheel speed and traction control, Sensor Select Track makes driving in uneven terrains and inclement weather safer and smoother while delivering superior efficiency when four-wheel drive isn't needed. You have got your back. Wrangler stays strong in the face of obstacles on the road. High-strength steel skid plates from protect key components like the fuel tank, while heavy-duty skid plates offer optimal strength, durability, and performance. An off-road icon. The 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon offers legendary off-road capability thanks to advanced traction system, True-Lock, electronic locking differentials, and electronic front sway bar disconnect. Ready, willing, and able. With the legendary capability of 2020 Jeep Wrangler, you'll be able to come to the rescue with front and rear heavy-duty tow hooks when they get stuck. Take command. Award-winning, responsive, and easily customizable with drag and drop functionality. A state-of-the-art Uconnect systems lets you control heating and air conditioning, turn settings on and off, and activate entertainment options all with just the sound of your voice. Ready to sign us. Take your phone on the road with Apple CarPlay support. The system brings your contacts, favorite audio apps, Apple Maps, and more on board all through the award-winning Uconnect system, which rolls in wheel. The available 7-inch driver information digital cluster display supplies the information you need exactly when you need it. Customizable the display to help you keep track of key stats like speed navigation, speed control, and security features. Safe and secure. The 2020 Jeep Wrangler offers active safety and security features that continuously monitor driving conditions and alert you to act when needed. The power of peripheral vision. Available blind spot monitoring and rear cross-path detection rely on radar-based sensors to detect other vehicles in your blind spot zones or crossing behind you. Parking made simple. Wrangler can be equipped with some of the most advanced parking technologies available. Cameras, radar, and more work together to boost your confidence in almost any parking situation. A heads up when backing up. The available Park Sense rear park assist system uses sensors to alert you if you are too close to an obstacle while backing up at low speeds when an object is detected. Full-time bodyguard. A high-strength steel frame creates a rigid chassis and solid foundation to help maximize crash protection, while an advanced airbag system is ready to be developed when needed. Force of nature. A history of 4x4 capability travels with you on every journey, ready to take you places most don't dare to go. The world awaits with intricate craftsmanship, high-quality materials, and comfort-laden conveniences throughout. The adventure-inspired cabin of the 2020 Wrangler is a gateway of its own, connecting your worlds. While you discover the world around you, the technological advanced Wrangler offers available features to help keep you connected and in command. Own the road safely and securely. When the road turns, be a step ahead With over 70 standard and available safety and security features, the Wrangler 2020 will help keep you and your passengers safe and secure. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please go subscribe. Let me know in the comments below which car should I do next.